Psalms chapter 24, verses 1 to verse 10. A Psalm of David. The earth is Jehovah's, and the fullness of it, the world and those who dwell in it. For he has founded it on the seas, and established it on the rivers. Who shall go up into the hill of Jehovah, or who shall stand in his holy place? He who has clean hands and a pure heart, who has not lifted up his soul to vanity, and has not sworn deceitfully. He shall receive the blessings from Jehovah, and righteousness from the God of his salvation. This is the generation of those who seek him, who seek your face, O God of Jacob. Selah. Lift up your hands, O gates, and be lifted up, O everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Who is this King of glory? Jehovah is strong and mighty. Jehovah mighty in battle. Lift up your head, O gates, even lift up, O everlasting doors, and the King of glory shall come in. Who is this King of glory? Jehovah of hosts. He is the King of glory. Selah.